This is Eva. Eva works in the homologation department for an automobile company. Eva's company is facing new homologation challenges. Communication with authorities and technical services is a priority when it comes to the approval process of vehicle series. This primarily takes place via email and web portals of authorities. The constant rise in the number of documents to be distributed and the complexity of the issues mean that Eva simply cannot keep up with her work. This results in poorer communication with the parties involved. Not only that, the legislator is also increasingly demanding data instead of documents for the automated exchange of information. Eva's document archive and email inbox is pure chaos. She has completely lost track and even misses invitations to have lunch with her favorite colleague in the canteen. Finding and distributing documents to those involved in the homologation process, such as manufacturers or OEMs, technical service companies, approval authorities, sub-suppliers and partners, are error-prone and time-consuming processes. Luckily, Eva comes across T-Systems TypeMaster DD, a product used for saving, managing and distributing documents and data. TypeMaster DD helps Eva to find the right documents for the right processes, for the right party involved, as well as to distribute them accordingly. The product also manages access to data and documents for all parties involved, including authorization and user management. This means that every authorized person only has access to documents for which they are responsible and that they require for the process. TypeMaster DD ensures that documents and data are securely stored. This saves Eva a great deal of work, as well as valuable time, because she can now easily and quickly provide documents and data in TypeMaster DD. Once she has done this, DD takes care of all downstream processes, authorizations and distributions to the respective parties. Not only that, Eva no longer has to worry that authorities will delete her documents after a certain period of time. As TypeMaster DD works like a data and document archive, it stores the document. No third party has unauthorized access to these documents and therefore cannot delete them. In addition, all activities in the product are logged. Eva cannot believe her eyes. TypeMaster DD has brought order to her document and data archive and allowed error-free communication between her company and those involved in the homologation process. This means she can now concentrate on her core tasks, and she definitely won't miss any more lunch invitations from her colleagues. TypeMaster, the leading solution for homologation management.